What's up, guys? I've been working on this tree. At first I was doing pull-ups with this part right here, and then it started cracking. So then I started kicking at it. Oh, it flies flew into my eye. Started kicking at it. And it's like, I literally took up all this wood right here. So I started giving like some good ass kicks. And I'm gonna tease y'all a little bit. Give y'all a tease. So let the tease fall down. Oh, you have a good angle. Oh, the core is like super hard. Should like give it a couple. Ouch! I literally stopped through the. I just gave myself a splinter. I'm trying to remove some more of the support bark. Come on, get off. Now if I just dig into here. Okay, come on. Where's something to hit? Smash it in. Of course, it's flying for. Get some like. There we go. Come on. One of these rocks pop out. Come on. Yeah, it's not coming out anytime soon. Alright, I need to stop like delaying this video. Yeah, you know what? Come on. Come on. Come on. Get through the core. Come on. Yeah, come on, boy. We in there. We in that. I'm talking about in it. Just drill in there. Come on. Oh my god, you know these sticks right here? Oh my gosh. Got him.